In this video I'll be going over and taking apart the PELADN WO4 5600H mini PC. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and click on notification bell so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. This PELADN WO4 mini PC is equipped with a Ryzen 5 5600H processor with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512GB NVMe SSD. It has Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 and is capable of providing a 4K triple display setup at 60Hz. Looking at the front, there's a power button, two USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 ports, a USB Type-C port, an audio combo jack, and a CMOS reset. On either of the sides, there are vents for exhausting or venting out hot air from the heatsink and components. On the back, there's two USB 2.0 ports, an HDMI and display port, a gigabit Ethernet port, and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, as well as the power or DC jack. There is also another vent for the heatsink. Taking a look on the bottom, we see the fan area intake as well as the mounts for VESA mounting. Now it's time to take it apart. So looking on the top plate or cover is easily removable. It's just held on with some magnets. So this definitely makes it really easy to replace or upgrade parts like the RAM or storage. To remove the RAM, just pull away the metal prongs on either side, which will release the RAM stick. As for the NVMe SSD, there's a single Phillips screw which is holding it down. The Wi-Fi module or modem is held down with a single Phillips screw, and there's a plastic cover connecting both the screw as well as the coaxial cables which needs to be removed. The coaxial cables can be disconnected by just popping them off. Here's a better look at the RAM, the Wi-Fi module, and the NVMe SSD with the heatsink removed. Also, there is a thermal pad underneath the heatsink to help transfer heat. Now flipping it over, there are 4 Phillips screws which need to be removed. The bottom cover can now be removed. There are 4 Phillips screws holding on the motherboard assembly. On the inside portion of the top of the housing, we see the Wi-Fi antenna. Having a closer look at the main board, we see the power button, the USB 3.2 ports, the USB Type-C port, the audio jack, as well as the CMOS reset switch. These would be the USB 2.0 ports, the display and HDMI port, the Ethernet ports, as well as the DC or power jack. There are 2 Phillips screws which are holding down the fan assembly. Here's a better look at the aluminum fan assembly. There are 4 Phillips screws holding down the copper heat pipe and heatsink assembly. Here's a better look at that. This is the BIOS battery, and this is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600H processor. Here's a closer look at the motherboard. Now it's time to put it back together. Once everything's back in place the top cover back on and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.